How to download the official Windows 11 ISO file. First, open your browser. Go to Google. Search Windows 11 ISO file. Click on the official website. On the website, scroll down. You'll see option from Windows 11 disk image. Select it. Then click on Download Now. Select the product language. Then click on Confirm. After that, click on 64-bit download. The download will start automatically. After the download is complete, the package will look like this. And that's how you can download the official Windows 11 ISO file. Thanks for watching.